Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, June 24th. Seeing some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. We do anticipate some seasonable temperatures today, with just a very slight chance of an isolated shower in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, and then after that we are going to be seeing some warm and humid conditions for the remainder of the week, but remaining dry. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region this morning, do have high pressure across much of the mid-Atlantic and eastern seaboard this morning. We do have that weak warm front depicted on the map. That's going to slowly slide northeast as we go towards tonight and tomorrow morning. That should pass the Delmarva sometime between about midnight and 6 a.m. That's going to bring us a very slight chance of an isolated shower during that time tonight, but it looks like chances are going to be only at about 20% of seeing an isolated shower across the region. After that, seeing things warm up a bit for the next several days, remaining dry but a little bit humid with temperatures a few degrees above normal for this time of the year. Taking a look at temperatures across the region, we are seeing widespread temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Already reached in the low 80s here at Wallops. We don't anticipate those temperatures to go up too much more, only expecting a high of about 85 degrees today. Looking at winds across the region, seeing southwesterly winds across the mid-Atlantic and Delmarva this morning, wind speeds running around 6 to 11 knots. We anticipate those to slowly increase this afternoon, becoming around 10 to 15 knots by the mid to late afternoon time frame. Taking a look at our satellite image this morning, we do have quite a bit of clearing across the mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas. That will continue throughout the next couple hours, mainly just seeing some thin upper-level cirrus, and then we will be seeing just a slight uptick in some mid-level cloudiness as we go towards the late afternoon hours and into tonight. Otherwise, though, remaining pleasant with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Taking a look at our upper-level winds this morning, we are seeing those winds southwesterly at the surface up to about 3,000 feet, remaining fairly light, only running around 5 to 15 knots. Then shifting more northwesterly from 6,000 feet on upward, hanging around 25 knots between 9 and 12,000 feet, and then just around 30 to 35 knots between the 16 and 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning is just above 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, we are going to be seeing a high of 85 degrees this afternoon, seeing winds southwesterly around 7 to 12 knots late this morning, and then increasing to 10 to 15 knots by the late afternoon hours. We are going to see those winds shifting southerly as we go towards this evening and into tonight, remaining around 10 to 15 knots, then decreasing by mid-morning Tuesday from the southwest of 5 to 10 knots. Like I said, we are going to be seeing a little bit of a warm front passage as we go towards the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. Can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated shower. However, it looks like 20% or less is all we're going to be seeing. So don't expect really any rainfall tonight with that warm front passing the area. We are going to be seeing another mild low tomorrow morning around 74 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, just going to be continuing to see basically just some thin upper level cirrus. We are seeing a few clouds near 10,000 feet out there, as well as a few at 3,000 feet. Not going to see that change too much as we go towards the late afternoon hours. We are going to be seeing some mid-level clouds near 12,000 to 18,000 feet increase just a bit, and into the evening hours. As we go into tonight, we will be seeing deck near 4,000 feet become scattered or broken at times, especially if we get any very isolated shower activity across the region. And then by mid-morning tomorrow, just seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet, few at 12,000 feet with some broken upper-level cloudiness once again. Seeing tides out there just slightly above normal this morning. Taking a quick look at our extended outlook here, we are going to be seeing high pressure basically in control after we go into tonight. This is our system passing tonight. This model is really overdoing the rainfall that we are expecting tonight and into early tomorrow morning with that warm front passage and that weak surface trough. So only expecting that chance of an isolated shower, but afterwards you see we have high pressure building across much of the southeastern portions of the country. That's going to persist through the next several days, giving us some temperatures slightly above average into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees for the rest of the work week. And also going to be seeing a slight uptick in humidity. Might see a couple days where that heat index just reaches about 100 degrees out there, and then starting tomorrow and through much of the work week. So going to have to account for that. As we go into this weekend, still going to be remaining fairly dry. We are going to start to have some more moisture increase across the region, as well as a little bit of upper level energy moving in. That could spark off a shower or storm as we go late Saturday night. You could see shower activity increasing across the eastern portion of the country by a Saturday night here, and that could continue into Sunday. But right now, it only looks like about a 20% chance of seeing a shower or thunderstorm Saturday night into Sunday. Otherwise, still remaining mostly dry as we get into a little bit of a very warm, dry period here across the Delmarva. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be looking at the high of 85 today. Today actually looks to be the coolest day in the extended outlook here. Tomorrow going to be much warmer with a high of 89. A little bit going to see those winds a little bit more onshore Wednesday, which could knock down the temperatures a couple degrees down, but still looking at a warm high of 87. Then Thursday through Sunday, we are going to be seeing those winds become southwesterly to west southwesterly at times. That's going to keep our chances of seeing those warmer temperatures up. Seeing a high of 89 on Thursday. We're also going to be seeing humidity start to increase on Friday, looking at highs into the lower 90s for Friday and Saturday. And then as we go into Saturday and Sunday, we are going to be seeing those chances of some isolated thunderstorms across the region. Right now, it only looks like a 20% chance. Saturday, if we do see an isolated storm, it won't be until late. So looking at a very dry, warm, and humid Saturday. Sunday, could be seeing a chance of an isolated storm pretty much all day, but like I said, only going to be about a 20% chance of seeing a pop-up shower or storm for Sunday, with still a very warm high of 89 with humid conditions, those humid conditions keeping our morning lows into the mid-70s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.